Welcome to Marek's Mediocre Masterpieces, the show where I recreate a masterpiece in just 15 minutes using my paint set. Oh, good day, mate. I hope you're well. Today I'm going to be painting John Brack's The Bird Lady. So get your timers on and let's hope this John Brack doesn't end up looking like someone's ball. Let's just get on with it. Good luck, everyone. John Brack. I had not heard of this artist until a viewer kindly recommended him to me and his famous picture, The Bar, which was actually a comment on a famous Manet picture. I have to say, it is a great pleasure to discover a new artist, and John Brack was famous for depicting Australian life in the 50s and afterwards, and the mundanity of it. There were many John Bracks I could have picked from that I really liked, but I thought this would be a bit simpler. I'm doing my best to prove myself wrong. I got it wrong there. An early mistake. I don't know why there aren't more famous Australian painters. Or Bracky, mate. Jono, what are you doing, mate? Doing a bit of painting. Why don't you come outside and throw the ball around, Jono? What's wrong with you? We got a ball and you can throw the ball around. What's wrong with that Jono bloke painting all the while? He could be throwing a ball around. Can we do a hand that doesn't look like bananas for once in this whole series? Your hand looks like bananas, mate. Turns out my bird is about half a mile lower. Oh no, look at this body length. Oh no, look at this. I have mismanaged the body hugely here. She's kissing the bird. In that one, this is 5 seconds afterwards. She's been told about the dangers of bird flu and immediately removes the bird from her face. Have you been kissing those birds again? They're just so lonely, I'll kiss anyone. Jono, why are you doing a picture of an old lady kissing birds, mate? I can't believe how long her arm is. There's no tenderness in her face. The poor massive faced bird was too ashamed to look the old lady in the face. Maybe she's been mucking around with these birds again. These birds are all down the hallway. Let's give her a smile at least. At least I've made her happy. Oh, is that the light on the clothing? Yes, of course it is. What do you think it was? Just a brown splodge? You think I'd just put a brown splodge on her top and try and make out that was clothing? Not likely, mate. 141, and it has not gone well. What do you do around this point here? You just paint the whole thing blue. You just absolutely mangled the bird there. If there's one thing you can do with 17 seconds left, save the bird's head. You've not saved its head. You've turned the bird into some sort of animal. Oh no. I don't know what I did to that bird in the last second. It looks like an old lady's bitten a purple parrot's head off. I'm very disappointed with myself. I was genuinely confident with that one. There's John Brack's The Bird Lady. Mine, it looks like it's George Washington biting the head off a parrot. So I will set the starting price for this at 3 pence. Links to the eBay in the description below, as well as links to the paints and brushes I've bought, and a link to my PayPal Surviving the Apocalypse Fund if you want to help me out. Next time, I will be painting Degas Waiting, something which we are all doing at the moment. So please send me your versions of those. Thanks for watching, everyone, and happy painting. Take care. Bye.
What is it you're trying to say to me, little bird? Maybe if I give you a kiss, you'll turn into a handsome prince and whisk an old lady like me away. You'd like that, would you? Is that what you're trying to tell me? Well, here you go. A big smacker on your beak. Mwah. It looks like something's happening.
All right.
Turning into a man.
All right, mate.
Are you here to whisk me away?
Don't be stupid. Now go and get me a tinny. I'm going to put my feet up and watch the footy.
But you're supposed to be a handsome prince.
If you carry on like this, I've got to go and take a on your car. Only this time, you won't be able to wipe it off with the windscreen wipers.
Oh, what have I done?